Welcome. In front of me is an HMD XR21, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the hotspot toggle, which might not be added by default, so we're going to click right here on this pencil. Swipe down and I can see it right over here. As you can see, hotspot, you want to grab it by holding it. Once the text right here changes, drag it over, drop it, go back, and now the toggle should be accessible to you on one of the pages. Again, for me, it's on the last page right over here. Once you see it here, you want to hold it again, and this will now quickly take you to the settings. And in the settings, you most likely want to start off with hotspot password. It is a randomly generated password, so without navigating in here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. I recommend removing it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and that can be letters or numbers or both. And we also have AP band right here. We have two options, 2.4 or 5 GHz, and option to turn off hotspot automatically if it's not being used for some period of time. I recommend keeping these options as they are set by default, as well, this will ensure that your hotspot works with widest array of devices and also isn't running needlessly in the background when you're done using it. So we can now close this, find the toggle once more, and this time around simply tap on it. Okay, mobile hotspot, data network connection is not available. Okay, so I think my SIM card is disabled, so it won't let me turn it on. But typically you would just tap on it and it will work. One more thing to keep in mind here, it tells you that it will turn off your Wi-Fi as it's using the same antennas to broadcast the signal, so it can only do one of the things at a time. So when you do this, your Wi-Fi will be turned off, but once you disable your hotspot, it will automatically re-enable your Wi-Fi. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.